I'm about to show you how to manifest using water. But this isn't what you think. This is the most amazing technique for manifesting you've ever come across. And it's easy, and more importantly, not only will you manifest what you desire, and you'll do it fast, it'll taste good. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Success Coach. And today we are soaring high, like a big, beautiful eagle. But we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. I'm out in my backyard right now, so you may hear some owls or doves or other kinds of creatures around here. This is kind of a wildlife sanctuary. All kinds of animals come around here. High flyers, we are 70 to 80% water. That's what we are. We're walking oceans of water. And I believe that for health reasons, but also for manifesting reasons, it's important to drink the highest quality water possible. I had one client, and he was trying to manifest a new car. He needed additional money for it, but he also needed to find the car. And I help a lot of people manifest cars. They like cars. I like cars, and they're fun to manifest. But sometimes they're hard to find. And you have to have the cash. It's not financing, it's cash. So he came to me. We did some work. Nothing seemed to break. And then I asked him, I said, how many soft drinks a day do you drink? And he says, I don't know, 10, 12. And I said, that's the reason. Those soft drinks are anti-water. They're contrary to fresh, clean water. Remember, you're 70 to 80% water. You manifest what you are, not what you want. So if what is inside you, biologically and energetically and vibrationally, if what is inside you is that of owning a new car, having a great relationship, a new house, a lot of money, that'll be exactly what it is on the outside. Now, high flyers, a while back ago, I did a video about using rose quartz. And I love using rose quartz in your water. I think it's a great idea, especially for putting you in harmony with the vibration of love. But my favorite method and my favorite water, and I'm not getting paid by these people, I'm not sponsoring them, or they're not sponsoring me, I should say, is to use San Pellegrino from Italy. Now, it's a naturally, not artificially, a naturally carbonated water, and it is absolutely wonderful to taste. You see, water is most effective when it's moving. You've seen a pond, and a pond is stagnant water. Sometimes it smells, sometimes it has bugs around there. You definitely wouldn't want to drink out of it, but fresh, moving water is energy you can use to manifest. And that's what San Pellegrino is. It is a sparkling, natural mineral water made in Italy, and it is naturally carbonated, which means that it's not artificially, it's natural, which means that the water is always moving. It always has movement to it, and that's important. You want your water to always be moving. Now, some people will add ceramic balls, little ceramic balls to their cups. Say, this is your cup. They'll put ceramic balls and they'll shake the water up to get the water moving. But I think it's highly unnecessary. You don't need to. Just get some San Pellegrino or any naturally carbonated water out of Italy. Okay? Something that's clean, something that's healthy, something that you will enjoy drinking, and something that will help you manifest what you want. So high flyers, the San Pellegrino, here we go. The San Pellegrino water is extremely high in minerals. It's extremely high in sulfur. And what this does, it's moving. See it moving in there? What it does is it improves your hair, it improves brain function, and it's absolutely great for your skin. That's why the only thing I drink is Pellegrino water. So now I've poured myself a glass of Pellegrino water. This would be fine all by itself, but I want to make it really tasty, and I want to make it enjoyable, and I want to add some resveratrol to it. And how I'm going to do that? I'm going to use some naturally made balsamic aged. This is aged balsamic vinegar of Moderna. And I like Kirkland products, by the way. They come from Costco because they test all of their products thoroughly. They're highly tested. So I'm just going to pour a tablespoon of this balsamic vinegar right in here, and I'm going to stir it up. Look at that movement. Now, again, high in resveratrol. And everything in here is good for your body. It's good for vibrance. It's good for energy. And it's good for manifesting. So now, high flyers, I have some beautiful Pellegrino water with a little bit of balsamic vinegar. You can put 1 tablespoon in or 2 tablespoons. I'm going to take a sip first. Hold on. Oh my God. I promise you will never go back to sodas again. So now what I want to do is I want to give this water an intention. And I'm just going to hold my hand here. Now, a lot of people will use a whole sentence. Some people will use a visualized image. I use one word, just one word. So I'm thinking of you right now. I'm thinking of you. Now, I don't know who you are, but I know you're out there. And I know you're watching. And my intention is love. So I am focusing on the word love. Love. And I'm literally feeling it come down through my head, out through my hands, and into this glass. Notice I'm not drinking it out of plastic. Okay? I like to drink manifesting water only out of glass. Now, if you're in a restaurant or someplace, you can ask for some Pellegrino or sparkling water. They usually have that on hand. And you can ask for a little bit of balsamic vinegar. They usually have that on hand. And you can mix it right at your table. Nobody will think you're crazy. They'll think you're intelligent. And then what you do is, because you're in a restaurant, you just hold it like this for a few moments. And maybe you're talking to somebody, but you're thinking of love. 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 You don't have to make a scene. You don't have to jump up and down. And then bring that intention into your biology. Bring it into your physiology. Bring it into your mind. Bring it into your energy field. Bring it into your vibratory state. That's damn good. But more importantly, I'm vibrating at a frequency right now that is sending you love. Can you feel it? Write it down below if you can. Listen, you're going to try this because I know, one, you're going to like that it will get you good results with manifesting, and number two, it tastes good, and number three, it's healthy. Remember, high flyers, you become what you drink. Now, I want you to do a little research. Look up the works of Dr. Emoto, the great scientist who discovered that by putting intention into a glass of water, clear, pure water, you could change the culture and the vibration of the water. And he has the photographs, the scientific evidence that proves it. Start doing this once a day and focus on your intention. What is your intention? Abundance? Abundance. Abundance. Well, there you go. I'm sending you love and abundance. You have a great day, and here's some other videos to help you on your journey.